Hi everyone, it's Sarah at Realm Library bringing you another Boredom Busters craft. And Boredom Busters crafts are just quick and easy crafts that you can do at home with everyday household items. Today we are making a dog puppet. Can you see that? So what we'll need is some paddle pop sticks, some straws, preferably the ones with the bend in them, some toilet rolls or paper towel rolls, whatever you've got at home, and some wool, and then things to decorate. So to start off with, I have covered my toilet rolls with paper, but you can decorate the toilet rolls however you'd like. You can colour them in, you can paint them however you'd like. So that's the first thing we need to do. Then with one of the toilet rolls, we cut it in half like this, straight through the middle. So we've got two halves. One of those will be the head and one we make the ears out of. Now with the body, we've got to punch some holes in it. So we're going to put a hole just down the bottom like that, and in the same line on the other side. So they're the ones that hang with our holder. Now on the other side, on the opposite side to where those holes are, we need two holes for the legs. 1, 2, and 1, 2. So you can see we've got the holes for the hanger, and then we've got two holes down here on each side to make the legs. All right, let's start with making the dog's head. So here's one of our half toilet rolls. We need two holes punched, one here and one directly underneath and opposite down there. Now we can decorate our dog, and as you can see here, I have got two eyes and a nose, and I've made a set of ears, so I'll show you how to do that as well. But first let's start with our eyes, and I just used little dots, but you can use, again, you can colour it in with text or whatever you would like to do. So I'm going to do one dot there and one dot there, and then we can stick our eyes on there and then make a little nose. Ready? All right, so there's our dog's head. To do the ears, we need to cut out a figure of 8 almost in this roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come this way and around. So it almost looks like a number 8. It gets a little bit tricky. So you do and you can always trim it up when we've finished. Now, can you see how, oops, I'll show you when I'm finished. Can you see, oh, it's a bit of a funny number 8, isn't it? We'll just trim it up here. Can you see how it almost looks like a number 8? So there's the dog's ears, and we're going to bend them in towards each other and stick them just about here, okay? All right, now you can see that I've stuck my ears on and we've finished, we've popped the eyes on, so that's the head done. Now, let's work on the body. So first, we need a very long piece of wool that comes down into the body, underneath and up again, and that attaches to our holder. And I've just made that out of 2 paddle pop sticks stuck together. All right, so let's get a really long piece of wool and we'll thread that down through that hole and then down and up the other side like that, and that holds the body. The next thing we need to do is give our dog a bit of a neck, just so it stops the head from falling down as well. So if we thread a piece of straw down with the wool, keep going, and that will make our neck. Now I'm just going to pop a knot at the top there, just to hold it all together. Probably needs to be quite a big knot because the holes punched are quite large. So if we do quite a big knot there, and then we can thread our head on. So through that hole at the bottom of the head, and then up through the top hole of the head, like that. All right, now that I've threaded my dog mostly together, I'm going to attach him to the holder. And all you need to do is put the string or the wool over the holder and then just attach it with some sticky tape, just like this. Now the thing that you have to remember is you want to try and get the two sides fairly even so the dog sits evenly. So there's that one, and I'll get some sticky tape on that side. Gets a bit tricky holding all of these bits together. There we go. So he's sitting fairly evenly, and we can just trim off those bits. Oops. And that one. Right. All right. What else does our dog need? He needs some legs and a tail. Now the legs, we're going to thread in one side down here and out the other. And we're going to do that for both the back and the front. So I've got two pieces of wool, about 15 centimetres. I'm going to thread in that one and out the other side. So you can see I've got one set of legs, and in this side and out the other side. So I've got two sets of legs like that. All right, now that we've threaded our legs through the body, we need to make 4 feet. And here I've got 4 bendy straws, and the bend is just here. And I've lined them all up. Now we need to cut about 1 centimetre one side, and so there's 1 centimetre either side of that bend. And then we thread them on to the wool, and these are going to become the dog's feet. So we thread it on and make a really, really big knot at the end so the straw can't come off. Do a really big knot. Oops. Bit tricky to do knots, isn't it? Let me see. All right, now we bend it like that so it looks like a foot. And we're going to do the same for the other 3 feet. Now that we've done all 4 feet with our bendy straws, the last thing we need to do is give our dog a tail. And you can just do this with another piece of the bendy straw. So we'll just cut a bit off. So there's, a bend in the middle. Just put a bit of sticky tape on and attach it to the back of the dog. Oops. Like that. And then you can bend it up. And there you have it. Our wonderful dog puppet. And as I said, you can do some more decoration, paint the body, put some spots on, whatever type of dog you like. So I hope you have fun with your dog puppet, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.